Hey, what's up guys? Code Up Your Life here. Today I'm going to show you how to install Python on Windows 10, how to run Python in IDLE, and how to run Python from the command line. So let's get started. Let's go over here to python.org/downloads. You can click the download Python 3.9.1. This is the most current version of Python. Or if you need to, you can click one of these other links for Mac or Linux. Once you click, it will start downloading. And once it's done, you can open the installer. Make sure you check this box to add Python to the path of your environment variables. Click Install Now. Now to check to see if your install was successful, go over to CMD with the command line and type Python -- version, and you should see the 3.9.1. Alternatively, you can check this in PowerShell. Same thing, Python -- version, and you can see the same thing, Python 3.9.1. So Python comes default with this IDLE IDE. You can run Python through the IDLE, which comes with the basic install. You can run Python code directly from here. Let's try something out. Let's do print hello world. You see it prints hello world. You can do math operations right in here, so you can do something like 2 + 2 = 4, 8 + 1 = 9, or you can store values in a variable. Variable equals 10,000, print variable, you see 10,000. And if you want, you can also make it into a file and run it that way. So you can use IDLE to prototype and test code before you make a full file. So let's create a new file. Let's put in here print hello world. Save as hello world. And then you can hit F5 to run, and it prints hello world. Alternatively, if you don't really like this editor or the IDE, you can use another text editor like Atom. So let's go over to atom.io, click download. Once it's done, you can run the installer. Open Atom, Control-N for new file. You can put in here print hello world, and Control-S or save as hello world.py. After you save this as a Python file, you see the color of the text change in the editor. The editor is smart enough to know what type of file this is and colors the text accordingly. Let's try to run this from the command line. Let's open the command line. Navigate to where you saved the file. Mine is in users/python. You can use the command cd, which stands for change directory, and cd into the Python directory. Once you're in the Python directory, you can run the file by typing python and then the file name helloworld.py. Run and you see it print. And we can do the same thing in PowerShell just to show that it's working. Open up PowerShell, navigate to the directory, users Python, and run the file with python helloworld.py. Well, there you have it. We were able to download Python, run from the IDLE, and run Python from the command line. If you got some value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.